Hey guys, today I'm going to give you an over-the-shoulder look at a bunch of essential SEO tools. We'll cover tools for keyword research, competitive analysis, link building, landing pages, and a whole bunch more. Some are free, some are paid, but I've used each and every one we're going to cover here today. So let's just dive straight in and check them out. SEMrush is a great tool for competitive research. You can throw in one of your competitors' domains. In this case, I've just grabbed a Miami Dentist here. And you get a whole bunch of information on organic keywords. So Miami Dentist, Bayfront Dental. You can get a picture of their organic competition. So basically, who else is out there ranking against them in that Miami dental space. And another great spying tool is you can find out what they're paying for in terms of paid traffic. So what sort of paid ads they've got out there, what sort of Google ads they've got on currently or have had up at one stage in the past, which is great if you want to copy, replicate, and build off that business model. So what we'd fly into next is backlinks. Naturally, if you're spying on your competition, you want to know where they're getting their backlinks. So this tool gives you a big overview. You can check out the domains, anchors, backlinks. So let's jump in and see where this business gets their links from. Got a breakdown of country, TLDs. You can see walking for friendship, no idea what that is. Finding Health Pros sounds like a good one if you're a dental business. US business info will be a business directory. And if we filter those bad boys down, we can see which one has the highest trust score. Ask.com. So basically, you should be going out, copying, replicating the links where you can get your own and start ranking for relevant terms. If we just bang in another competitor website, I'm just reaching and grabbing random ones here, a paleo website, jump in and check out what kind of keywords they're ranking for, we can use this tool to get an idea of keyword ideas. If we've got our own health food website or paleo blog, we can steal some competitors' ideas. And in this case, we see paleo bread getting almost 3,000 searches a month. Getting them about 7% of their traffic. But let's dig a little deeper and get some long tail keywords greater than 3. And this will give us a list of long tail keywords. Oops, I'm actually looking in Australia here, but doesn't matter. List of long tail keywords that this company or this website is ranking for. They're getting traffic for all sorts of things. Sweet potato gnocchi. Slow cooker recipes looks like an interesting one. They're in position number 5. It gets 720 searches a month. And so you can start to build a picture and an idea of how your competition is ranking for certain keywords, and you can go out and replicate it and do it all for yourself. Write blog articles based on what's working for the competition and rank it for your own health food blog. The other part that goes with competitive analysis is keyword research. They go hand in hand, and SEMrush is a hell of a keyword research tool as well. One of their newest features allows you to plug in a seed keyword. In this case, I've gone with paleo since we were doing it before. Chuck in a big seed keyword and then filter down. So let's try this with turkey. Let's say we've got a health paleo site. Yeah, 6,600 searches a month for ground turkey recipes paleo. Low competition score, no keyword difficulty. Turkey meatballs, turkey burgers. You can filter on the categories on the left hand side. So this is only ground turkey within the paleo seed keyword. We can exclude keywords, so maybe free we could exclude. It hasn't made any difference at all in this case, but you can see what I'm talking about. You can filter on keyword difficulty, cost per click if that floats your boat and you're looking for high cost per click terms, or competitive score, how difficult it is to rank how much competition there is in that space. Filter on something like search volume, and if we put in, say, 500, click enter, we'll get a bunch of terms that have enough traffic to substantiate writing a blog post about. Boom. Ground turkey recipes paleo. Great place to start. So guys, SEMrush is basic SEMrush is basically a really great tool for any SEO or SEM operator. You've got competitive analysis research, backlink and keyword research tools all built into one, and the ability to really spy on your competitors and get a lot of great insights. I've included a link below. You can get access to a free trial there. Check it out for yourself, play around with it, and see how it works for you in your day-to-day business. Enjoy. Another keyword tool I use all the time is called Longtail Pro. I'll just jump in and just give you a demo. It's the easiest way to show you how to do it. Now, you enter a project, mummy makeover in this case. We're just messing around and see what we can find. Again, it works on, you can throw in a manual keyword, but it works best if you throw in a seed keyword. So we're doing mummy makeover and a bunch of other terms like plastic surgery, nip tuck, not the TV show, and let's go with facelift. How many search results per keyword do we want? Minimum or maximum bids or monthly searches, competition, whatever you want. We're just going to click enter and see what comes up. We have got a bunch of terms, broadly to do with plastic surgery and mummy makeovers. Let's get more searches showing on the screen and have a look at what we've got. We'll filter by volume here. Got some big terms, but we're looking for some keyword ideas here. Mummy makeover, there she is, 18,000, high competition, maybe not so great. Eyelid surgery is interesting, 14,000. What else have we got here? Otoplasty. That is actually another word for ear surgery. For some reason I know that. I don't know why. And it's got low competition, $5.55 cost per click. So it's an interesting term. Ear surgery again. Good search traffic, medium competition, decent cost per click. What else are we seeing here? More ear plastic surgery, ear pinning. So I like this theme that's emerging here to do with ear surgery. What else have we got? Ear reconstruction, earlobe repair, some low, some medium competition. I like this ear pinning. This ear pinning, ear surgery game we're looking at. But otoplasty is the big one. Let's check out how competitive it is. So we can actually see that it's got a keyword competitiveness score of 41 and 5,500 searches a month. But the number one ranked term on keyword competitiveness gets 5 out of 100. It has no trust flow, no citation flow, and a competition score of 0. So that term is wide open at number 1, and also number 4, 15, 13, low scores. If you've got a decent DA on your site, decent domain authority on your site, or you build a niche and throw some good PBN links, you can rank for otoplasty. It's got low competition, decent keyword score, decent cost per click. So not a bad one to check out a little further, at least do a little more research in. Let's look deeper into another keyword term here, ear pinning, and we can click here and we'll get another 20 suggested keywords just for that term. So we're fleshing it out here, we're digging deeper in our keyword research and our long tail research, and you see there's a bunch of terms popping up for the same theme. It's looking interesting. Long tail keyword terms that we can blog about, blog on different articles to do with ear pinning surgery, ear pinning without surgery, what is ear plastic surgery, what is otoplasty, all sorts of search terms that have big traffic, good cost per clicks, and there's obviously a demand out there. You could build a rank and rent niche site. We can filter out terms so that we only see terms related to the word air, and we can filter so we're only seeing medium and low competition terms here. And then what we'll get is a bunch of long tail keywords to do with otoplasty and ear surgery that we can go out and rank for. We can build a rank and rent site, rank and rent niche site. We can build a bunch of blog posts and rank for that topic. And so using Longtail Pro, there's a link in the bottom here with a link to a free trial. Check it out for yourself, play around, see how the keyword research tool works for you. So guys, Longtail Pro is a great keyword research tool. I use it all the time. If you want to check out the free trial, click on the link below. They make you pay $1 on your credit card. If you don't like it, just cancel after a few days or a week. But you'll get to play around with a really cool tool. It's actually very cheap compared to a lot of competitors on the market. So starts at around $30-$40 a month, which is pretty budget as far as some of these tools go. So check it out, guys. Let me know what you think. Now, there's a bunch of free tools that I use in my day-to-day life as an SEO. Let's check out a few here by just doing some random search for buying magic cards. Moz toolbar is a main one I live by every day. Gives you the domain authority and page authority of any page, links, but mostly you want to work off domain authority, page authority, not focus on links through Moz. Another big one that is a must, not a must, but handy to have, is the Majestic toolbar. It's a Chrome extension plugin. Gives you brief statistics. The main ones you care about are trust flow and citation flow on any domain. Those are the big metrics you want to care about there, want to focus on. WooRank, another plugin or another Chrome extension that gives you a synopsis on a website. Tells you all sorts of things like the title tags, the meta tags, H1, H2, keyword distribution throughout the page. So it's a handy one. BrowseSEO.net, another one I like to use. This is a website. Just jump in, plug in your website, and it breaks down the page and it shows you how Google sees it. You get the headings, the SERP preview. You can filter internal links on the site, on the page, external links. So it's a great way to see the page in a raw format as Google sees it. Another key one is called Dr. Link Check. What you do with this, you look for broken links. Broken links are bad for business. Broken links are also an SEO opportunity because you go and you set up a redirect from that old page, which is no longer existing, and redirect it to the most relevant homepage or whatever it is these days. Ahrefs, great backlink checking tool, a little bit pricey, but let's do that broken link check again here with these guys using their broken link checking tool. Again, different website, jump in. They've got several broken links pointing to old contact pages from directories. So all you need to do is set up a redirect from the old contact page to the new page, and boom, you're getting link juice flowing to your site. Page speed is massive in SEO, so your page needs to be fast or it won't rank. Mobile, 55 out of 100. Desktop, what have we got? 69 out of 100. Mobile is bad. That is bad for SEO. Chuck it in the mobile friendly test and figure out why it's not mobile friendly. These are some free tools that I live by and use every day. Check them out. Try them for yourself. You've probably never heard of this next company, but they've got some awesome free tools that you can access by just signing in with your email. Let's check them out. So the Hoth is a link building service that has a bunch of free tools you can use. You just sign in. I'll put the link down at the bottom of the page here. Sign in with your email and check out their free tools. Search engine rankings is one of my favorite. You throw in your domain or your competitor's domain, run a report, and you're able to check out what terms they rank for and what percentage of traffic is attributed to these terms. Now this UGBoot business gets about 2/3 of their traffic from these two terms, but it can also tell you opportunities for your own site. It can tell you opportunities based on what your competitors are getting long tail keyword traffic from, or where you could be getting more traffic from. Now, if you scroll down here, Ugg Boots Melbourne, they're position 16. It's 1,000 searches a month, and they could easily rank on page 1 of that if they gave it a little boost. So check out this tool for yourself. Click on the link and play around with some of the free tools. I think they're awesome. If you're an SEO, you're going to need a SERP tracker or rank tracking tool. Now, there's a couple of really good ones on the market. They're both really low cost, so let's check them out. If you're trying to rank your own sites, trying to rank client sites, you need to track your keywords. SERPbook is a tool that I use, use on the reg. It's really great because it allows you to compare Bing, Google, Yahoo results side by side. Just throw in your domain, what keywords you want to track. You can check them across local Google Maps, YouTube as well, or just regular search results, which is pretty kick-ass. That's why I really like this tool for some local customers. Like I said, compare Bing, Google, Yahoo side by side. Click on the graph figure and check out how your term is going over recent weeks, days, months. Those are the 3 search engines there. This is just demo data since I don't want to show you real client data on this particular account. Just using HubSpot as an example. Click on the magnifying glass, check out how that SERPs page looks, and they do a nice free trial, so check it out for yourself. I've put a link below to help you out. Click on that, check it out. SERPfox is one of their competitors. Same pricing, same sort of stuff. Don't allow you to compare side by side like you can with SERPbook across Bing, Google, Yahoo, but you can rank, check out your rank, filter on the changes of your ranking and volume. Both, do the same thing, do same reporting. Couple of differences. You need to be using one of them, so check them out, guys. SERP ranking tools. Now, guys, what I want to show you here is a company that does white label link building services. They're all white hat, and that you can get social links, blogging, guest blogging links, a whole bunch of stuff. But before I jump into that, I just want to give you an example of what I use them for, and that's pillow or buffer links. When you're building backlinks to your website, you need to diversify your anchor text ratios, and to do that you're going to use branded links. If, for example, we're building a kitten mitten website, we'll have Kitty Mitty as our branded link. We'll have another 30% of generic anchor text like click here, more info, find out more, visit the website. Raw URLs, just as an example, might be 20%. And then we've got LSI terms, variations of our money anchor text term: kitten socks, kitten boots, boots for kittens, boots for adult cats. And then we've got our go-to money anchor text terms, our kitten mittens, buy kitten mittens. We're keeping that anchor text ratio very low. And those links we want to be coming from our powerful PBN sites. To build our buffer links, what I like to do is use the Hoth, and they build a ton of social links for you that diversifies your anchor text ratio and link profile. Bunch of SEOs use them. The package I go for is this little bad boy here, the Platinum, on the right hand side. What it includes for you, you can go the mid tier, or you can go these other ones, but for $50 more, I go with this bad boy. You basically get 8 2.0 sites, 3 articles on each site. Then they build tier 2 and tier 3 links to these sites. You end up with 48 backlinks that are pillow or buffer links pointing to your money or client site. They're white hat, they're safe, they diversify your anchor text and your link profile so that you can go out and be aggressive when building links to your website. So guys, it's a great tool. I use it all the time for client sites and my own sites. It's a little in-house secret. It's not going to give you rankings on its own. You will need some stronger PBN links or white hat links from wherever you're sourcing them in there, but it will get you to page 2. It will diversify your anchor text ratio and your link profile. and there's a link below. Check it out. It's a pretty kick-ass little tool and saves you hours of time. If you do the maths, 48 links into $250 is very few dollars per link, somewhere around 5. So check it out for yourself. And jumping ahead, we're going to check out PBNs and some vital PBN tools that I use. Guys, if you're working with PBNs, a VPN is a must. Hide My Ass Pro is one that I really like. Cheap, easy, kind of idiot proof, which is the way I like it. You can choose wherever you want to be in the US or around the world. Set your unique IP address, and this is essential to avoid leaving any footprints when you're working on your PBN. Let's choose Nottinghamshire in Nottingham, the UK. Connect to the VPN, and this will change my IP address so that I can log into my WordPress site, whatever CMS I'm using to build and host my PBN, and work on my site. So whenever you're working on your PBN, logging into WordPress, first clear your cookies, go onto Firefox, use a unique IP address created by your VPN, then start working. Always use a PBN. Clear your cookies each time. Don't use Chrome. Try and use Firefox or another browser. Use fake personas or privacy protection. Mix that up when you're registering your domains. And on hosting, make sure you're using providers that have unique C-block IP addresses. Don't use Google Sheets. Avoid the Google family as a whole. So that means not using Webmaster Tools or Google Analytics, and keep your themes different and random when creating PBN sites. This is a dead giveaway. Don't use the same plugins. Don't use Spider Spanker or these bot blockers or bot blocking technology on every site. These are just some basic rules to observe, guys, when you're building your PBNs. But most importantly is a good VPN and good organization systems of your own. So check out the link below. Good packages. I think they're like $10 a month or something like that for a good VPN, and that's all you need to be paying. So check this one out, and hopefully that helps you guys. Good luck out there. So guys, I hope that little video helped to give you an idea about some tools on the market that can really make your life easy as an SEO. Some are free, some are premium, but I've used them all and can thoroughly recommend them. If you like the video, let me know below, like it, leave a comment, let me know your feedback. You might also like this other video I've got here about SEO software. There's some new tools in there, not just the same ones. And thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the